We are on pages 122 and 123. Characteristics of the layers of the Earth. The Earth has layers just like the atmosphere. The physical properties of each layer, such as the temperature and state of matter, vary. Since it is not possible to reach the deepest layers, geologists and other scientists have to deduce what they consist of. Their research has established two models, one physical and one chemical. These models are complementary and help describe each other. The use of one model or the other depends on the objectives of the research. Chemical model. According to its chemical composition, there are three large divisions inside the planet: the crust, mantle, and core. The crust is divided into plates. The continental crust can be 70 kilometers thick in areas with mountains and 7 kilometers thick on the ocean floor. The principal minerals found in the crust are oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Number 2, the mantle consists mainly of silica, which is made of silicon and oxygen, as well as iron and magnesium. The upper mantle is 200 kilometers thick and is in a liquid state. The lower mantle ends where the core starts at 2,900 kilometers under the surface, and its viscosity is greater. The core's temperature varies between 5,000 and 6,000 degrees Celsius. It is mainly composed of iron and nickel. The physical model. In the physical model, characteristics like volume, the amount of matter on the planet, and the velocity of seismic waves as they travel through the matter after an earthquake are considered. This is related to matter's physical properties such as viscosity and rigidity. In this model, there are five recognized layers. A. The lithosphere is made up of the crust and part of the upper mantle. It is between 100 and 250 kilometers thick. It is a rigid and brittle layer that floats on top of the asthenosphere. B. The asthenosphere is the layer that starts at the edge of the lithosphere and ends 660 kilometers below. It is made up of a fluid with elastic and plastic properties. This fluid causes the tectonic plates to move. The mesosphere, not to be confused with the atmospheric layer of the same name, consists of a more viscous fluid than the asthenosphere. This layer includes both the upper and lower parts of the mantle. D. The outer core is liquid and is located 5,133 kilometers below the Earth's surface. E. The inner core is solid and its center is 6,378 kilometers below the Earth's surface. Elastic matter can return to its shape and length once force is not being applied to it. An example is a spring. Plastic matter changes its shape when force is applied to it and stays that way when the force is removed, for example clay. Viscosity is the measurement of how easily a substance can flow.